Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while since I made another video or put any content up. It's because between the weather and my job, I have just not had the time. You know, I just said, bump it, I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all some content. So I probably didn't mention, but the Celica has brake issues. So what I've been doing in the downtime or during the downtime, I have been collecting parts. So I have rotors, I have brake pads, I have calipers, and I also needed 4 new tires. So what I did was go ahead and ordered all that. And right now we are on the way to get the tires installed. I didn't get the 225/60 R14s, which come on the GTS, because most of the tires for that application have been discontinued. And basically there's only one tire company that has that size, which is the BF Goodrich's. I don't like those. It's like an old school style tire. You can't get an aggressive tire with the 225/60 R14s. I'm gonna go ahead and stick these 195/70 R14s on, and then get the car roadworthy and go from there. Like I said, right now we're on the way to the tire shop. Hopefully they don't try to rob my bank or my pockets. But anyway, when we return, we shall be at the tire place. So I made it to the Temple Hills Tire Center, and I didn't know the rules and regulations on recording. So to protect everyone's privacy, I just took a couple of quick clips. Hey, what's going on everyone? It's the next day, as you can probably already tell. The tire shop took a little while to get the new tires mounted on the wheels, and the weather took a turn for the worse. It got dark. Basically, we're gonna mount up the new wheels and tires onto the car, and then we're gonna see how it sits. Worst case scenario, I'm gonna have to get some 5mm or 10mm spacers. So I decided to do this section of the video in a time lapse because it's pretty boring watching 4 wheels being put on the vehicle. So we're going to speed through this and keep the video going. Okay, so we're all mounted up. As you can tell, the car sits a little bit higher, but that's due to the suspension not being settled in yet. I'm gonna have to drive it around the block to get that. You can definitely see a little bit of wheel arch gap, but it's not too bad. Like I said, maybe some 5 or 10mm spacers, and that'll fix that. But these tires look pretty good on the car. I can't complain. Like I said, I only spent maybe $230 for the full set, and that's not a bad deal. So now that the tires are put on, let's get a start up of the vehicle and see what it sounds like. I gotta warn you right now though, half of the exhaust fell off when I first got the vehicle, so it sounds like a truck aside from it already having a truck engine. Let's go. Give it a little bit of time to warm up before I take it around the block and let the suspension settle, and then we're going to come back and see how it looks after we go around the block. All right, we're all set and ready for a test run. I apologize about the shaky footage, but I gotta get some new equipment as far as mounts goes. Just using the standard phone mount. For your cell phone that you get from Walmart. She drives nice. As soon as I get my alignment, I'm pretty sure everything will be gravy. So the next moves are alignment. Well, actually, the next moves are brakes. After I get my brakes sorted out, alignment, and then a few other cosmetic needs, and we'll be ready to hit the road. I love this car. Oh my God. It's definitely not fast by any means. That's why I'm going with a engine swap really soon. I'm gonna have to get to the house and park this thing because the brakes are still locked up. I'm starting to smell friction material, so I don't want to get stuck. Looks like it's a little bit of smoke. It might be the back caliper that's stuck. If that's the case, I gotta order more calipers. I didn't buy those. See which one of my brakes are locked up. It's definitely smoking. Nope, it's the front driver's side. Check this thing out. It is cherry freaking red. And we got some smokage. And popping. You see the red hue? Yeah, it's cherry red. All right, there we are. Suspension has settled in. Sitting pretty nice. It's not too bad, not too bad. So I can say that these tires were a success. I got a few plans. So the Toyota Extensas, they have the letter in here. And I think I want to paint those white. I don't know, white, maybe red. That'll be coming in a new video. But until then, see you guys next time. Hope you like this video. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, hit that like button, and leave a comment. Let me know what you thought.